Hi everyone, so I'm back and we're going to do a pour, which I haven't done for a long time. So what I have for the background is I use Winsor & Newton Galeria. That's the type of paint I use. And this is Naples Yellow with a lot of titanium. So that's what I'm going to be using for the background. What I like to do is spread it out a little bit so that it's totally covered. And I just gessoed this canvas this morning because it was one that I've already used, but I'm going to recycling, which a lot of people will enjoy because usually I never did that. So this is like icing a cake, I guess. It's the paint is a little on the thick side. That's okay. I mixed these all this morning. This is not the paints that I have prepared like months and months ago. Do need a little bit of background. There you go. I had so many comments on my last video, the one where I said, you know, it's hard for me to stick to one thing because I like so many things. And I was really happy to hear that a lot of people had the same. They like to do all sorts of things. And I do think it's about being creative and just having fun with paint. So this is the background. Ooh, a little spot here. We've got to make sure everything is a little bit covered. I'm going to do the sides later. Now I have my little bottle caps. Just, you know, screw them off some, I don't know, lemonade bottle, anything will do. Then what I'm going to do is add a little bit of water to this background color. There's no silicone in this one, but what I would like it to do is sort of form a little bit of a pillow for me to pour on. There you go. Now, the little bottle caps I'm going to fill with 4 colors. I have Van Dyke Brown, which I always adjust just a little bit to make it a warmer color, because usually Van Dyke Brown is a really cold brown color, and if you put a little red and orange in there, it'll just warm up a little bit. So that's what I'm putting in here. This is burnt sienna. Then I'm going to do the really light turquoise. That's phthalo blue and green with titanium white. And I really like this color, so I'm going to do a lot of that. Then I have a darker turquoise. I'm going to put some in there. And then I'm going to repeat it with the burnt sienna because it looks so good on turquoise. And I'm going to use a little bit more of Van Dyke Brown. So what we're really doing is just layering it all up. I do want to fill up these little caps because I do want to use it all. We'll see what happens. The lighter one in the middle. And we're going to end it with a little bit of the burnt sienna. So that's it. And I'm just checking to see if this is going to spread. Not really. It's still on the thicker side, but that's okay. This is going to really dry flat anyway, so I'm just going to spread it out, help it a little bit. There's still enough on there for the paint to move, so we're going to take this and we're going to put it right there. This one, we're going to put it right there. So let me get you in the middle there. And I have my new apron on, which you've already seen. Whoops. Let it move a little bit back because I don't want to lose too much of it. And I would like it to go over the side a little bit. And then we're going to torch it to see if we get some really nice cells. And there it goes. Just really tiny, nice little cells. As you can see there. So that's working out really nice. But what I also would like is it for it to move a little bit into the sides. So I'm going to get one of my toothpicks or just a brush. What I'd like to do is just spread it out, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe just move it a little bit over here. Like that. Just to make it look really sort of flowery. Of course we want to keep all those little cells intact, so they're good. As you can see here, they're okay. Now what I'd like to do is something when it's finished, when it's dry. I have to fill this in a little bit because I'm seeing the canvas here. When it's dry, I would like to add something to the ends of these little swirly things. Maybe I needed just 2 more. Because I don't want to just, you know, pour. I want to do something different. So I'm thinking about doing something on the ends of this. Who knows, maybe with acrylic pens or maybe even collage. I'm not sure yet. Because I've seen a lot of beautiful collages lately and that got me really inspired. So I think I'm going to do something with collage. So I hope you like this. This is really easy to do. And it sort of inspires you to do something with it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.